Hello there, this is Brant Schalk from UAF eLearning, and this is the second tutorial on Google Drive, and I'm going to go through how to download and install Google Drive for PC. So in the previous tutorial I went over Google Drive and how it functions, and Google Drive for PC is a little bit different in the sense that what it does is installs and places a Google Drive folder on your computer, meaning whatever you put into that folder on your computer, Google will sync it, mirror it up to your Google Cloud Drive. So in this instance, what I see here, test 4, test, and testing documents will all, as soon as I install Google Drive for PC, sync down to the folder on your personal computer, giving you the ability to have access to those files locally on your system. So that's kind of convenient, and it'll just kind of guarantee that you're able to have those files at all times, but also uses it as a synchronizing tool. You can make sure that all of your files are synchronized properly across from your computer up to the cloud and vice versa. So let's get started, and I'm going to go to the left hand side of my Google Drive window and go to Download Drive for PC and click on that. It's going to want to install the Google Drive sync.exe. I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Downloads folder. I'm going to open that up, click Run. Click Run again. Go ahead and click Yes. And we can go ahead and watch the installer work its magic here. Okay, go ahead and close that. So I'm connected to the wireless, so the network's kind of slow for me. But this is what should happen. It'll want you to sign into the Google Drive application. So click Sign In Now. And at this authentication window, put in your UA username at, for my case, it'll be at alaska.edu, but it'll be your Google Apps email account or your Gmail. Now click Sign In. And if you notice, nothing really happens here. So what I found, what makes this kind of push through, is click Sign In again, and it brings you to another login page where you need to log into or authenticate into your Google Apps at UA login. So same thing, use your UA username, and let's go ahead and put your password in there. And we can wait a bit again, and hopefully we'll see in a second here the Welcome to Google Drive window. And as you can see, it does tell you exactly what it's going to do and tells you how it works. So I'm going to click Next there. I'm going to go ahead and start the synchronization process. Now, depending on how much files you've had in the cloud, because keep in mind that everything mirrors. So depending on how many files you had in the cloud, it's got to download those files down to your computer. As you can see, some of those round arrows right there, that signifies that files are still synchronizing from the cloud down to your personal system. So if you have a large amount of data in the cloud, anticipate a little bit of a wait here for this to occur. Once that's finished, as you notice here, the window pops up automatically showing you the directory of which the Google Drive folder is located on your computer. And also, you notice, let's go ahead and verify that the synchronization is proper and correct. Let's go into the school folder. There's nothing in there. Well, that's fine. Let's go into UAF e-learning. So we got 7 files there. Let's go ahead and open up our cloud Google Drive. Go into our UAF e-learning. As you can see, there are 7 files. So we know the synchronization is functioning. Let's go ahead and create a document, and let me show you that it does synchronize quite quickly actually. It's automated. Test 3. Let's call this test 3. I'm just creating a document in Google Drive, and I want to show you that what I've created here will synchronize automatically to my local Google Drive folder on my computer. So I think I created it. Oh, I don't even know where I created it. It must have been in. Instead of that, let's go to recent. And actually I did call it just test, didn't I? Okay, well, there it is. Let's go down to our Google Drive here. And if you notice, there it is. So it's instantaneous, it's quick, convenient, and it's usually very consistent too. Little amount of errors that I've ever received for it. So that's how Google Drive works and installs. There are also Google Drive icons located in your All Programs list on your Windows machine. If there's not one here, you can go into All Programs and scroll down to Google Drive folder, and you'll be able to see it there. You should also have an icon down in your lower right hand taskbar. Alright, I hope this helps you with that process of installing Google Drive. My name is Brant Schalk. I'm with UAF eLearning, and hope you have a good day.